The story of textiles in India goes back to 4000 BC. In ancient India, textiles were deeply embedded in its identity. India produced the finest cotton in the world, and the global trade systems were formed on the exports of Indian fabrics. The ancient Romans called India's finest cotton woven winds because of their airy lightness. For centuries, India has exported some of the best fabrics to the world. Cut to a post-COVID world, and we are left with multiple challenges across various sectors that also includes the textiles. In a bid to revive the textile industry, the Narendra Modi government is leaving no stone unturned to thrust it forward as India's economy is bouncing back. Hi, I'm Richa Dwivedi, and today we will decode the production-linked incentive scheme approved by the Union Cabinet for the textile sector and how it will change the fortunes of the textile industry. Currently, India is the fifth largest exporter of textile and apparel in the world, with exports worth $36.4 billion. To strengthen India's position globally as well as in the domestic market, the Union Cabinet approved the production-linked incentive scheme with a corpus of Rs 10,683 crores. The micro, small and medium enterprises, or the MSMEs, that constitute the majority share of businesses in the textile sector will get a major boost through this scheme. Atmanirbhar Bharat. Towards realizing the goal of Atmanirbharta, or self-reliance in the textile sector, the PLI scheme will boost the manufacturing of textiles for MMF apparel, MMF fabrics, and 10 segments of technical textiles. There's an ever-increasing demand for MMF all over the world, since these are a substitute for cotton amid changes in global fashion trends. Therefore, through PLI, the government will not only promote the production of high-value MMF fabric, garments and technical textiles, but also aims at providing raw materials at competitive prices while enabling skill development that will provide a major thrust to textile manufacturing in India. Global champions. To make Indian companies reach new heights, the PLI scheme will provide an impetus to cater to the worldwide demand by helping them achieve both scale and size. Under this, only those manufacturing companies that are registered in India will be eligible, thereby giving a whole new push to Make in India initiative. More employment. With growing industry comes more opportunities for job seekers, and that's exactly what this boost for the textile sector will do. Employment opportunities will be generated for nearly 7.5 lakh people in the textile sector, both directly and indirectly. People will be able to expand their businesses, and additional manufacturing units will mean more employment. Not just that, the textile industry predominantly employs women. Therefore, it will empower more women and boost their participation in formal economy. Now, how's that for women empowerment? Bringing in investment. The production-linked incentive scheme has paved the way for more investment in the textile sector in the country. Investments worth Rs 19,000 crore will help in turning around the fortunes of the textile industry in India. In fact, with higher priority assigned to aspirational districts and Tier 3 and 4 towns, the growth will be overall, since the industry will be incentivized to move to backward areas. There will be a major positive impact in states like Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Odisha. Multisectoral impact. The technical textile segment has been gathering momentum in the last few years. Technical textile products derive their demand from development and industrialization in a country. And considering India is on that track, the demand is increasing each day. In simple terms, technical textiles have applications in several sectors like infrastructure, water, health and hygiene, defense, security, automobiles and aviation. Therefore, it will improve the efficiencies in those sectors of the economy as well. To help boost this segment, the government had earlier launched a National Technical Textiles Mission with an aim to promote R&D efforts in that sector. Now, the PLI will not only help better the R&D, but will also attract investment. There have been numerous success stories from various sectors in the recent past in India. The biggest one so far from the textile sector under then Union Minister for Textiles Smriti Irani was the turnaround of PPE production that not only helped India combat the pandemic but also showed what a determined country can do. While before the pandemic, there was not a single company in the country producing masks and PPE kits. During the time when the world was grappling with PPE and mask supplies, around 1100 such companies became operational within few weeks in India. In barely 3 months, India became the second largest manufacturer of masks and PPE kits in the world. While the industry is lauding the government for this move, the Modi government's will and vision through the PLI will help the textile industry tap into its full potential. India is all set to regain its dominance in the global textiles trade. That was all from us today. Do let us know in the comments if you found this video insightful. Until next time, Namaste.